Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you too can easily make some crispy skin salmon and a honey soy glazed one. So let's go. Here's what you need. These proportions are per one salmon, so feel free to adjust it if you're making more. Start off by drying the salmon. Since I'm using store-bought frozen one, my paper towels are soaked. Now for the marinade. Mix the honey, soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oil together. Then simply place the salmon in a bag, pour 2/3 of it in and keep the rest for later. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While that's marinating, let's make the crispy skin one. After patting it dry, roll it up a bit and carefully use a sharp knife to score the skin. The closer they are together, the crispier it will get. All that's left is to simply take some salt and pepper and get it in there. You can also use some fresh thyme or basil. Now heat up a tablespoon of oil, and once it starts smoking, put your salmon skin side down and give it a little press so it won't curl up. Other than that, leave it alone until you see it has cooked 2/3 of the way up and then flip it over. Just make sure you sprinkle some salt and pepper on the fleshy side first. Don't be afraid to tilt the pan so the salmon bump is evenly cooked as well. When it's done, flip it over, take it off the heat and let it sit in the hot pan as we finish up the dish. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and then add the potato wedges. Sprinkle with some basil and oregano and make sure it's evenly coated before plating it up. Tell me that doesn't look appetizing. In the mix of it all, I forgot to press the record button with the marinated salmon, but the beginning is the same. Heat some oil and start skin side down. Since I was focused on the missing footage, I left it on there for too long, so the skin burned. It's okay, I'll just peel it off. These things happen in the kitchen. You can use potatoes with this one, but I'll be using another favorite of mine, mushrooms. 1 tablespoon of oil, heated, then add the mushrooms and let them cook for a bit. Next, add the soy sauce and mix to cover every single piece. We're almost ready to plate. All that's left is to take what's left of the original marinade and dump it in a pan with the mushrooms oil. Mine was too hot, so 2 seconds and it was thickened enough. Now plate everything together and pour that sauce on top. Even though the skin burnt, it still looks amazing, don't you think? Let me know in the comments below which one of these you liked best. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!